Hi folks, let's continue building our homepage. In the next section, I want to add 3 blurbs. Blurbs are small information boxes where you can add some text and an icon. It's sometimes called content box or icon box. So let's open the Visual Builder and add the new section with 3 equal columns below the slider. First, let's go to the section settings. Here we add the background color, F1, F1, F1. And in the design tab, under the spacing options, we add 0 padding to both top and bottom. Okay. In the first column, let's add a blurb module. Here you can add a title text, a smaller text to the body, and an icon. In the title field, let's add free shipping. In the body section, on orders $150 or above. I'm sure you see where I'm going with this. Of course, you can add any text you want here. In the image and icon settings, you can choose to add an icon. In this case, you have to enable it and just select an icon from the list. Or you can upload an image of your own. I already have some images prepared, so I will upload my image. If you want to use the same images, I will leave a link in the description where you can download them. Okay, so the image is uploaded. In the link option, you can add a link to the title. So in this case, if you add a URL here, this title will be linked. If you want to link the entire module, then you can add a link here. For now, I will not use any link for this module. And finally, in the background section, we will use a white background. Okay, obviously this is not the best looking module, so let's go to the design tab. In the image and icon section, I will choose to display this icon on the left. The title text should be semi-bold. 18 pixel is okay. The body text, we can leave it on regular and on 14 pixel. In the spacing options, the padding top and bottom should be 13 pixel. Margin left should be 0. Padding left 7 pixel and right 4 pixel. And I also want to use a border. Should be 2 pixel wide. And the color should be a little lighter, maybe like this. Okay, I'm happy with these settings. So basically what we have to do is clone this module. So let's duplicate it. Let's just drag it over here. Duplicate it again and drag it over here. And all we have to do is just replace the text and the icons. Okay, so click the gear icon to edit the module, replace the text. We can add some lorem ipsum, replace the image. Okay, And for the last one, and that's it. We have our second section. Let's see what changes and exit Visual Builder. In the next video, we will add a new section where we are going to display some products.